So welcome. Um, this stream or video, I will teach you how to make a simple Terraria mod. And the reason why I'm trying to teach how to make simple Terraria mod, it's very simple. Because some of the people don't know how hard it is or want to just mod, but they can't because there's no other tutorials. Yeah. If you have actually some questions what I can't answer, then go to Mode Loader Discord and ask there. There's a lot of experts who can help you on shots. I don't know everything, but I can do things. So the first thing, how to create a mod, go on to download the Mode Loader, then you replace it to the installation. You open the game, you go to mod sources, and you click create mod. Now it's very easy. Mod name is the name of the mod what's gonna be shown. Well, not it's gonna be folder name. For next example, make just a tutorial. Let's do like example mod. Mod display, it's the mod name, but it's gonna be displayed if it's on the mod browser. Let's see to example mod because I could. Auto name or name, for me it's another. Basic sword, not spaces. It's the name of the sword what is gonna start here. It's the name of the sword what you're gonna have, so you can edit it. So let's do just basic sword. We can edit it later. Create and it's created. Now we click manage pop. Well, open sources. Click buildings here. We go to example mod, and here's our things. If you wanna change your items, you go to items, the folder items, and here's your sword, and here's the code for the sword. For example, if you want to make a bow, then what I suggest is going to the Mode Loader. No, then I suggest you to type bow Mode Loader. And then you can search from here up. But you can just, there's a thing like example mode what the Mode Loader developers give you, so it will be easier for you to code things. And for that we're gonna use that because yeah, it's easier, like I said. And if I remember correctly, there's no bow. There's no bow. Fuck. Well, let's make a gun. It's easier. Let's download the picture because, well, we can make our own gun, so yeah, it won't take so long. Let's download the gun. Acceptable gun. What you do, it's very easy. You just download it or copy paste the file. Fuck, raw. You do this, then you go here, items. You right click, you create a new text document. You just do example gun.cs. Yes, it gives you this file. You open the file. Because I have two monitors, it opens at the second monitor, so I need to drag it to the first monitor. Now we have an empty CS file of example gun. We paste the code what we got from the this code. No, that's not. Anyways, this is the code. This everything here is something what you should have. Should just keep, don't delete it because it can be helpful if you want to do more things like yeah, it's just information what you would like to have. Oh yeah. I do not remember how to do this. Let's go to basic sword. Oh yeah, every item needs a texture, by the way. You can't just put let's just copy paste this file, this information, not file. Example gun, we paste it. Now we can build this gun with 10 dirt blocks. We would not like it. Let's make a very simple gun. Let's say like wood. If you don't know what's the item IDs, then go to type item ID dmode loader in Google, and then it's gonna give you vanilla. And here you can see the thing. So it's very easy to use. You just copy the name and you paste the name here. For example, we need wood. Like this, we get wood. See, wood. I copy. I go here. I paste. I type the number, how many wood you need to craft it. The workplace where you can craft it is workbench. Use ammo will not be bullet. We will use different thing. Ammo ID remote loader, or you can just there is, didn't even know, and we just use something different. For example, we can make it the bow. We can translate it. Well, not translate, we can replace it and make it the bow. But for a moment we're gonna just make it well, we can make a gun that doesn't require any bullets, so we could shoot, but yeah, we're gonna still have it as bullets. Value, this is in copper, so this is like 10 gold or 1 platinum. I don't actually know because I'm stupid. 1 silver, 10 silver, this is 10 silver. And because this is so, we take it like 10 copper. Knockback, let's replace the 3. Use time, let's do it like 25. There's the description of the gun. Oh yeah, what I really suggest you doing, oh fuck, what I really suggest you doing is you can change the name of the gun. The file name can be anything. Put the name of the gun in game, you can change it. Oh, yeah, we have it. You can copy this. We can go to the gun and we paste it down here. This is the display name of the gun. And for a moment, let's just do, because we named it example gun, let's name it like wood gun. And let's say it's a wooden mechanism what works because it can. Yes. Let's fix some issues. Now, yeah, it's pretty much done. Let's just put it down like to. This is speed of the bullet speed what it goes. And this should be it. Now we need just to make a sprite of it. And what I suggest you to do is just download spriting application. I'm using Paint.net because it's because I have sprite on it before. It's easier for me to do. Don't believe it or do. And what we want to do is to make like 16 times 16. Oh, the overall sprite will be 2 times 2 pixels wide. like 1 pixel is 2 times 2. Well, let me explain it easier. Let's make a sprite. Let me delete this so we could edit this. Now let's make a gun. A gun is easy to make. You just do, well, it's gonna be food and so yeah. And voila, it's a minor gun. And what I suggest you do is just crop only the gun, like see, or this will the rest. Because this is 1 times 1 pixel, I mean what is, it's 1 pixel is in 1 pixel, we need to upscale it times 2, so it will be 2 times 2 pixel. So 36, and like you see, 2 times 2 pixel. 2 times 2 pixel. Easy. And if you do it, if you don't do it, the gun will be extremely small, and that's a thing what I don't recommend. Yeah, it should be done. Let me just color it more, so it will be more beautiful. Yes. We don't want a bad gun, do we? I'm gonna leave the code and everything in the description so you can use it. Gone, made. We save it. We find our mode, example mode, items. Now we have to do, we name it as the example gun. Example gun. Save it and done. Now we have example gun, this. And let's use it. To use your mod, you do click build or reload, you go here, you can just how to do it, we click it, it builds the mod. There shouldn't be any errors. Or there will be error because why not? Oh yeah, where is it? Example gun, tiles. Oh yeah, namebases. Completely forgot. Namebases are required to change. Okay, let me explain. Namespace, it's the place of the item in the game, in the folder I mean. And for us we have an example mode and the item is in the items folder, so we just delete this space and this will be good. This will be good. It's gonna be the mod sources, example mode and items. And yeah, we just save it and now it should work because it's the correct namebase and nothing should be wrong with it. And yeah, let's go. Dies. Nandeska. Oh yeah. Delete the overall things that you don't need, like using things also. We don't need that because we don't use. It's not even required. I mean, you can do it without it if you use modded materials or something like that. Now it should work. See, it's loaded. And now it's loaded. I have a lot of mods, so let the mods load. And yeah. Okay. Now if you didn't understand what happened just now, it said oh, it's enabled. Okay, good, it should work. Anyways, it said yeah, they were built for the previous episode, but for some reason it's still on. Yeah, oh yeah, let me just fly a little. Oh, we don't have the gun, none. Did it not actually reload? Can we not like have something happen like during the stream or a video or a fucking building? How to build your own mod or make your own mod? Terraria. Okay, now anything can crash. That means the files were successfully reloaded. That means the example gun what we made is enable. It's we can just get it, okay. Oh, its name is wood gun. So let's, yeah, see, this is the gun what we made. Example mod. Then we take off the dev crystal so it wouldn't be 22. I have some mods so yeah, it's gonna be different, but overall it's the same. I do not want to die, so I have to fear this. And let's us give us some bullets. For example, musket bullets. These are the unlimited will be better because we can't run out. And now if we shoot, the gun works. Nothing should be broken, and it works. Oh yeah, if it's not on the grip, you can change it in the files. But overall, the gun works like you see. Nothing is broken, it shoots. See, everything good. And this is the first episode of how to make a mod. If you have any questions, ask them in comments. And yeah, this was it for today's how to build your own mod. Bye.